All right, YouTube, welcome to Air Fryer Tuesday. These are the Nathan's frozen jumbo crinkle cut fries. We're going to do them in the air fryer. All right, YouTube, so you got the basket. Put in a liner. Take the fries. See them? Pour in half the bag. Level them out. Take a good cooking spray. And spray it, and then we go to the air fryer. All right, YouTube, so we have the basket in there. Push it in. 400 at 12 minutes. Minute 5 or 6, we'll shake it, and then after that, we're done. All right, YouTube, it says turn food. Pull that out. You see how they look? Shake it up. Push it back in. 4 minutes, 400, and we're eating fries from Nathan's. All right, YouTube, so this is what the fries look like. Look at the color there. And you could take like mayonnaise and hot sauce and make that kind of hot sauce mayo or ketchup. So let me do this. That's really good. All right, so here's that hot mayo. Look at this. It has a good sweet and hot taste. Look at that. All right, YouTube, so thanks for visiting on Air Fryer Tuesday. I was one day behind. Sorry I couldn't upload Tuesday. I had to upload Wednesday. But when I have videos done before, I always upload them earlier. But hit the like button, hit subscribe, and I'm going to bring you so much more air fryer stuff in 2023 and 2024.